Jamaican Vibes from Spur to Greenvale Roundabout, Mandeville. Thanks for tuning to my channel, Fire Reid, True Jamaican Vibes. So enjoy the ride, my people. Nice place to be. So when you want the best curry goat, you need to come at Spur. Right before you reach the Meekles Black Factory, you have a cook shop there. In that area, that do nice curry goat, okay? So thanks for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yes, my people, keep safe. You know, this road is a very speedy road, so you're gonna drive with care. So we are heading to Greenvale Roundabout, Mandeville. Yeah, man. Yes, my people, so we're gonna take a stop at Kingsland gas station. So at Kingsland gas station, you know, you have your Western Union. They also do breakfast and lunch. Very tasty, real Jamaican food. Ackee and saltfish and banana and dumpling and your liver. Your steamed fish. Trust me, it's a nice restaurant and the gas station, my people. So we're gonna take a look at tour over there. So keep on enjoying the ride. True Jamaican Vibes. On your right, you have the Best Stop Auto. So if you need your auto parts, you need to come to Best Stop Auto. It is in Kingsland. Few more minutes, we will take a stop at the gas station. Just a quick view, just so my people can see what Kingsland is like. So remember, we are going to Greenvale Roundabout. Yes, my people, welcome to Kingsland. So you can get your breakfast right here, and also you have a Western Union here. So enjoy the ride, my people. And trust me, when you're in Kingsland, it's a different type of weather. It's very, very cold right here. It's a different weather right in Kingsland. So enjoy the ride. We're gonna have a little bit of bumpy ride going to the roundabout, so just see with me and enjoy it. Yes, my people, so we're now heading to Hatfield. So like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Fire Reid, your tour guide. Subscribe, my people. So we have my little bumpy ride right now at the moment, so just gonna still enjoy it. Just enjoy the Jamaican ride with Fire Reid. And yes, my people, you all know we have a strawberry farm in Abbey Garden, so if you want your fresh strawberry, you can come to Abbey Garden and get your freshly picked strawberries. So you can make a right turn and you will go to Abbey Garden, to this strawberry farm. So you all need to check it out, my people. Organic. So we are now going to enter Wagon Wheel, Hatfield. Wagon Wheel, Hatfield, my people. So we're on our way to Greenvale Roundabout. That's where the destination. That's our destination for today. Yeah, man. Yes, my people, when you come to Jamaica, you all need to drive on this road. This road leads to many different places, attraction and stuff. So yes, my people, if you're coming from Junction and also in Santa Cruz, if you want to reach to Mandeville, you all have to drive on this road. people. So we're soon gonna reach the roundabout, that is Greenvale roundabout. That's where our destination will be. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Thanks for watching my channel. Like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.